my shepherd, I shall not want. He makes me to lie down in green pastures. He leads me beside the still waters. He restores my soul. He leads me in the path of righteousness for his name's sake.
Jotelo mawuok e duond buche mopogore mag siasa kod jogo bende ne gitimo godo ohala oywago Jirongo kaka japuonj mag ji mathoth e weche opogore.
I said he was a philanthropist. He helped many, as you have heard. Many succeed in politics, many succeed in business. He also helped me when I decided to join politics and to campaign in Busia.
If you go by numbers, it's over 36 years and we have been together.
And your final days, you lived large in spirit and in heart.
A real true friend.
Whenever I was in Nairobi, Cyrus would arrange for us to do galley.
You must, all of you, be proud of him and what he did before.
I've lost my mentor, political mentor, my strongest pillar in politics.
For those of us, especially, let us be each other's brothers' keeper and sisters' keeper, and especially David Morade, those of us from the Uji and Chai society.
He was a leader whose influence went beyond Western Kenya.
I met Cyrus before his entry into politics, and in line with his character, he had come to the courts to bail out a friend, now a big shot in government. To his partners in business, carry on with his dreams and let his family reap the benefits.
Ringre mar Cyrus Jirongo ibiro ter dalane chieng' wuok tich mar juma manyien. Motelo ne ik mare mabiro timore chieng' tich ariyo mar juma chelo nogo dalane ma Lumakanda ma yudore kar chung' od bura ma Lugari e county ma Kakamega.
I can confidently say that the death of the Honorable Jirongo is purely a traffic road, not what people are insinuating. Some people were talking about a mysterious car. We were able to account for it. We were able to interview the occupants of that so-called mysterious car. And if you look at our Twitter handle this morning, we have given an elaborate explanation of who those people were and what they were doing at that. Let us not please mislead Kenyans that there was foul play relating to the death of Jirongo. In my view, there was no foul. That was a traffic accident and it should be treated